Jared's struggling with a bolt. I have a simple solution.
I got it.
Well, this would have been a lot more fun. Oh, you could use it for this bolt. You know you want to.
Fine.
Proper PPE is important. Let's go. Safety first.
Don't touch this pole.
Guess we didn't explain what you were cutting. Starting to cut out the AC system, yeah?
Yep.
The one that's broken, yeah?
To put in our fans.
Yes, we got new fans!
Yeah. Yeah. We got a notice from YouTube.
Maybe. Some guy in a Spectrum truck was stopped by. He's like, hey, I think I've seen this bus before. He could have just seen it parked in our lot though. It's been here for a while.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Wrench.
What's a wrench? I think I know tools by now. The spinny thing? Ah. It's a nice shot.
Screwdriver. Phillips.
Phillips, I know what that is.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is fine. This is safe. Oh, everything's fine. Everything's great. Everything's cool and chill and nice.
I should have said the drill.
Oh no.
1 hour later, 2 days later, 4 to 6 weeks later, 6 months later, 75 years later, 1 eternity later.
There it is. It's off.
That thing's a beast. This thing's wicked heavy. And with our resources, we have no other way but to just chuck it off the roof. So
And hope we don't break any windows.
please don't break anything in the process. Jeez. Or yourself.
Can I go that way?
Oh, Jared. Yeah, maybe.
All right, here goes. I think it's intact, actually.
We got a hole in our ceiling.
Hey, 26.
You look naked up there. This stuff's hard, man. I mean, it just will not. It will. It will come up, but no, without a fight. Plus, I'm leaning over impending doom. Mom, if you're watching this video, that means I'm okay. What a life.
Well, I know why these discs are only $3. It was all the way out to the guard.
Wow, where did it
Now it's
go?
small.
That's insane.
First time using a grinder, so I did not know that. And then you do this. Stop on your left foot. Don't forget it.
This is our ceiling that was inside the bus that we removed. Reusing, reducing, recycling. Isn't there a fourth one?
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
I thought there were 4.
Probably should have done pilot holes, but I'm not that smart. They're self-tapping screws. That's what they say. that's how it's done.
Got the patch done. Ready for the fan. So we just started working on the bus yesterday, but we're already taking the day off and heading down to Naples, Florida. But for a good reason. We are gonna get adjusted for the first time today by my chiropractor. We're trying to make a day out of it, so we stopped at a beach that we hadn't been to before, just north of Venice. Wouldn't recommend it. It was kind of gross, really shelly, so hard to walk on, and smelly. Shelly and smelly. Now we're gonna stop at a restaurant in Punta Gorda, something on the water, I can't remember what it's called. And then from there, I think we're gonna head to our appointment. Do you have anything to add?
No.
Okay.
Let's say in 2 miles. I need to just get it done.
What'd you get?
Burger.
Classic burger, no bun today.
What did you get?
It's chicken, pineapple on coleslaw with fries. Looks pretty good. So how was your burger?
Bunless.
Bunless?
Not really worth $17.
My chicken and pineapple was really good. I love the sweet and savory combination, but the fries, I'd give those like a 3 out of 10. They weren't worth it. But now we're on the way to the chiropractor.
If you remember, go ahead and turn your head towards me. Pull nice and strong. You got a low left neck problem. Look straight ahead. Eyes up in this corner. Hold. Good. Eyes up over here in this corner. Hold. There it is. Okay. You get headaches, you said?
Just every once in a while.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Awesome. Let's do this one with the headrest. Beautiful.
That's wild.
Ooh, we should have mic'd you up.
Oh my gosh, that was incredible.
Thank you. Arms out like an airplane. Have a cup underneath you. Put your hands on top of mine. Interlock your fingers. Good. I'm gonna lean you back and squeeze elbows forward and together. Squeeze elbows forward. Squeeze, squeeze. You okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Got that one.
Big deep breath in. And out.
That was awesome.
Okay, lady. Okay, and then a little lower on this side. Let the head rest. And out. There we go. Some people too crack a lot louder than others. You're more of a quiet cracker. Harley, not so much. Squeeze elbows forward and together. Squeeze your feet. Here we go. Yeah.
Nice.
That's what was supposed to happen to you.
Okay. Look at the size of this red light. It's massive. It's taller than me. You're supposed to do it naked. Doctor's orders.
Step up in there. First time for everything.
Yeah.
Go Wim Hof breathing
Yeah.
on.
Wait, so how cold is it?
Negative, what, 208 degrees
Yeah.
Fahrenheit? Definitely is different than an ice bath.
Yeah. It's not quite as shocking.
Yeah.
You're in the frame, Dr. Josh. You're there.
All right. Nice.
Awesome. We got the...
See the ice inside of it?
Yeah. That's what I was just in.
Dude, I am buzzing from that appointment. That was so awesome. He was great. I mean, he cracked in just everything. And he was really good at explaining why he was doing what he was doing. And holy smokes, look at this. This is a pretty high-end shopping area that he said was really close to his office, so we're checking this out. Probably won't buy anything, we're just here to look. But he let us use the red light therapy and the cryo chamber, which was really awesome. Jarod did the cryo, I did the red light, and it was just awesome. I feel great. I mean, he took my neck and just, and I loved it.
We could say we're going out to eat.
Oh, yeah, he's like, hey, do you guys want to get dinner later? So that'll be fun. But right now we're gonna go shop for a bit.
Here we go.
yeah, seeing the name brands that are here, Louis Vuitton, Omega, Gucci, Tiffany, Rolex. We're not buying anything today.
Yeah. That's disgusting.
So now we're at a beach in Naples. I don't know exactly which beach it is, but it's off of 5th Avenue. We walked 5th, amazing houses, really cool restaurants and a few shops. But we were able to just walk onto this beach and we were greeted by that sad little fish. Not so little, actually, it's quite large.
We were able to walk onto the beach from the shopping district.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We were gonna just take a little video of this, but then a guy stopped and was like, you want your picture? You want your picture? I'll take your picture. I'm like, oh, okay, we'll take a picture. Look how pretty. It's private property, so we can't go down it, but I love it. It's the next day. We're back at the bus. We had a great time last night. We ended up getting dinner with Jarod last night. Dr. Jarod, not my Jarod. Well, my Jarod was there. So it was Jarod, Dr. Jarod, and then myself. We got some Italian food. Well, kind of. I got a salmon. We went out for gelato afterwards. So it was really cool catching up with him. You can tell he has a huge passion for what he does. If we lived closer to Naples or in Naples, it would be hard for me to not go on a weekly basis and do the whole red light therapy and get adjusted because it was awesome. I was buzzing afterwards, so. But today we are going to cut another hole in the bus for our air conditioning unit. Well, it's not AC, it's just a fan. We just got this off of Amazon and we got 2 of them, so we'll see if we can get both of those installed today. We marked out where it's gonna go, which was easier said than done because of the curvature of the roof, but we'll see if we got it.
Yep.
And we need a Home Depot run. You wanna say something about that? There you go. Oh. Take 2. Oh no, Jarod! I was prepared to hold it, but it just fell on its own. Gouged a nice hole in our new flooring. I guess when you stand back, it kind of looks like the wood. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Hand me the fan. You're gonna have to go out there. It's not gonna fit through here. Oh.
That's pretty nice.
It's sort of installed.
Looks good to me. We're gonna take a break. We got the one fan in. We still have another one to install, but it's getting hot. We're still getting used to this Florida heat. It's crazy that it's only February and it's already 80 degrees at 10 o'clock. The roof of this bus is just absolutely boiling. So we just can't work up there right now. It's way too hot. That is absolutely horrifying. What is that? Just metal fragments?
Metal shavings.
Are they shot?
Don't touch them.
We're slaving away out there, and this is how we find you?
Next to the vent.
You need to start pulling your weight around here. Gotta take off this solar panel because we want the fan to be where this is.
Solar panel removed.
Now what are you gonna do with it? You can't just chuck it off the side.
Oh yeah.